to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings. Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Welcome to Successful Trading for this daily market recap for October the 6th, 2020. It is Tuesday afternoon. It seems to me it was just literally few minutes or a few hours ago that we did the pre-market analysis. Oh, by the way, we have been having questions. Our pre-market analysis are automatically recorded on YouTube channel, so you can search for them by date and you can catch up. Even let's say if your schedule does not allow you to catch the live broadcast, which happens every single day at 8:40 Eastern time, from 8:40 Eastern to just let's say 9:20 at the latest. We like to give people about 10 to 15 minutes so that they can reset and prepare themselves for the live trading session. And what a live trading session we got today, folks. I mean, yeah, the screen that you're showing could be the summary of it, but my friends, it was just wow. So without any further ado, let us go ahead and get started. All right. Well. Where should we start? Well, let me start with what we talked about in pre-market. If you were not with us, you may have missed out because we actually analyzed a few stock and I think there were money made. There was money made on based on analysis of what did we talk about this morning in pre-market? I believe we talked about IWM, the ETF, the Russell 2K. So the Russell 2K, before things unraveled, I'm giving you the 9 month. The 4 things unraveled late in the markets. IWM actually went all the way, was bullish. So there was good money to be made on the. Oh yeah, there was good money. I don't know exactly. Was it over 100%? At least I will think, right? Because the 160 called the way deep in the money at some point before the market start doing whatever shenanigans that it decided to do. The other one that definitely was good as well, and I know traders, they made money on it, was Nike. Some of them sold it a little bit early. The other one was Halliburton. Halliburton was very bullish and it made money. So if you have been missing out, subscribe to our YouTube channel. First of all, here's the reason number 1. You're going to get a chance to get the opportunity to trade with us for a full month free of charge, and with the full services, coaching, access to Discord, and all the whole 9 yards, right? Renzo T was the winner for September. We are still waiting for Renzo T to go claim his bounty, which is a full month of trading with coaching, free access to Discord, free education, on the full package, literally for free, just for being a subscriber of our YouTube channel. So it's how was the process before, because I've been confusing people. So you subscribe, and then at the end of the month we do a draw. We pick one person among the subscribers of that month. That's how it works. So back to this one, or by subscribing. So that was reason number 1. Reason number 2, you get access to. YouTube will notify you every morning when the pre-market show is about to get started, and then that's where you don't miss any show like this one, or you don't, and then you get trade and you get education, because most of our video, they are educative on how to make money trading stock option in this market, in this very volatile market. So yeah, this morning some trade definitely worked out. So what we are looking at the summary of the day, because looking at this on the left hand side, what do we have? We have the top 10 components of QQQ. It's good that for me, I felt the necessity to bring them back here since the rebalancing took place. So this is 1 through 10 stock wise, from Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, Tesla, Google, and then Alphabet, Nvidia, Adobe, and PayPal. I don't think that people realized recently how much weight Nvidia has been taking in both SPY and QQQ. This is the QQQ. You can go do similar thing on here, or I will bring you a similar top 10 for QQQ, but definitely here, Apple, Amazon. So why am I putting these two together? Because to understand what's going on with the index, look at its main component, right? So here's Apple. It lost minus 2.87 today. Where's Amazon? Do we have Amazon here? It lost minus 3.1% today. Where is Microsoft? Microsoft lost minus 2.2%. Where's Facebook? Facebook lost. Okay, why am I spending? So this is 24%, 34%, 38%, more than that. Just these four, that account for over 40%, my friend. And then you add Tesla, which I'm not showing here, sorry about that, or Google, then you literally get into close to 50% on just 6 stocks that are representing QQQ. Are you kidding me? Here's NVIDIA as well. Oh, I didn't put NVIDIA here. NVIDIA was slightly green today. It's a $500 stock. Where's Adobe? Adobe, geez, I will make sure to get a screen capture of Adobe next time on here. And then PayPal was slumping minus 2.6%. So with this, QQQ did not stand a chance. Obviously, the entire day. QQQ was bearish the entire day. So I wanted to bring this here. So sometimes you can be spending time thinking, hey, I need to trade one of these. Maybe you just focus on this. Yeah, we've been telling you about QQQ lately. So you get to benefit from those very powerful stocks, yeah, because they really tell you what's going on the index overall. So let's go to the chart on here and take a look, a top down view first of how all of this unravel. Which one is this? This is SPY. Oh my goodness, this is the 15 minutes of SPY. So we started the day. Could I replay this? Yeah, I mean we can replay this. So where was it? So the 6 started here, yeah, flat, boring, not much going on. And then from 9 Pacific, this is Pacific time, that will be 12 Eastern. So, and for a good couple and a half, yeah, 2.5 hours, we are bullish, yeah. I mean, from what's the levels on here? Let's take the levels on SPY. It went from 339 to 342. 3 points, that's not bad. Today was an expiration day, nothing, right? But my friends, how about this one here? Remember, Mr. Wayne. We go up taking stairs. When we go up, we take stairs, meaning it's a slow process. It's a grinding process. When we go down, we take elevators. In just 30 minutes time, my friend, what if I told you that though it was an expiration to the day, this move here generated a 10 bag on SPY? You wouldn't believe me? Bang. 330 puts. Don't ask me why I use the 330 puts or whatever. But no, I didn't get the 10 bagger. Yeah. My gain on this one was decent, but not close to 10 bagger. I didn't, I took QQQ early in terms of gangster trade. But here, the gangster trade, you will have gotten it for 12 cents. And for the most part, you will have been a losing trade. Not much. Well, yeah, almost not quite 50% loss. So from 12 cents, let's say the lowest we went here was 7 cents, 8 cents. Yeah, 4 cents. Oh, my friend. Oh, this is actually 20 bagger if you got in here at 4 cents. Because about an hour, exactly an hour before the close, this contract peaked at 83 cents from 4 cents lowest of the day. So either which way you looked at it, there was money to be made here. Big time. Those are the type of opportunity that exist in this market. And on a day like this one, where seemingly everything just was looking like, oh, things are going a certain way. So where does that put us now? Because this morning in the pre-market analysis, we were like, okay, the crossover of the EMA 8 over the EMA 20, that's the yellow line going over the green line, was about to occur, to happen. So we were discussing that, okay, could we get outside of this box? Where is the box? Yeah, this huge, oops, that's not it, Telex, that's not it. So, okay, it's difficult for you to generate rectangles. So yeah, you see, this sideways action that has been occurring for the longest of time here from 320, let's say, to 342. I mean, the range is wide, but lately hasn't really been, because look at this move here. Since September the 28th, we have been in that. So today, it was trying to get out of there, and then what caused this? Well, I believe some of the traders, they said that because there was a rejection of the stimulus deal. So until past the election. So my friend, this is a bearish, how do they call this candle? A bearish engulfing. Yeah, it's definitely engulfing, all right. So it's bearish, and we closed just above both EMAs. The both EMAs that are virtually identical. That's when you see that, that's telling you that there's indecision, really, because the EMAs that are supposed they're supposed somehow not to match. So when they're crossing each other, yes, we know that. But here they were about to cross in the positive territory, and then all of a sudden this happened, this candle here happened. It's going to be very interesting rest of the week on here for us. We are going to be prepared to take advantage of that, whichever way that they decide to go. So here is QQQ over the last 3 days. It has been tight in that range, 273 to 80. 7 points is not bad, but at some point here, this is has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days now. This thing needs to be expanding. Over the next 3 days, I expect this to pick a direction. Is it possible for it to retest the low of September? Absolutely. Is it possible for it to bounce back and try when it clears to 82, like we said this morning in pre-market? Absolutely as well. All right, folks, let's take a look on here to finish at some of the stock, individual stock that made some move today. This one was good. This one it was decent. You had to be quick on it. So when it popped, at least if you sold it, but it was really trying. It was really trying to come back and do something. But the overall trend of the market, all of the stock, they have that pattern at the very end. Let's take a look at Halliburton. How did Halliburton trade today? So Halliburton on the 6th gap up. We showed this to you in pre-market. So and then it posted a high of the day on there. So from 1220 to 1252. Okay, so now it's anybody guess what's going to happen. So because this one, look at the 3-day winning streak on here, gapping with decent size candle, right? So tomorrow it could just resume as anything. So we're gonna keep our eye on this, because if this is a dead cat bounce, my friend, oh boy, did you see this? This is the trend line. The yellow line is a trend line. You don't need to draw trend line that much. Just look at the moving averages. That we have been teaching you about the moving average and the power. All of them, they're pointing down. So meaning this thing was really trying to put a reversal, a remontada, if you will, yeah, a la here. And so for us, that's why we were in this trade trying to get interested. Yeah, they forced us to sell, and we hedge going into the rest of the week. So it will be interesting, because if this thing is going to be coming back, oh my friend, is a deja vu already, because last week we went and posted a low at 1060. We know that support. So this is how, by studying your chart, you position yourself to know where to take profit and where to be initiating position for good support. Imagine that if you were to get the calls on Friday here, because it closed bullishly on Friday, and then over the next 2 days you were definitely rewarded here trading the 12 calls of the likes. So that's Halliburton. IWM, now I'm afraid I'm not sure with this one what's going to happen now, because oh boy, it is an inverted hammer. That's bearish, and it's red. So definitely something to look forward to for tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. So tomorrow, usually the Wednesdays and Thursdays, they are known as paydays here at Successful Trading. So let's see, will you join us in the morning? Again, please subscribe. That's the best way, because YouTube will send you notification, and you will be able to partake into our pre-market analysis on Wednesday, which is known here at Successful Trading as Wild Wednesday. Until then, we bid you adieu wherever you are. Have a great evening, have a great afternoon, have a great morning, and we catch you on the next episode of our daily market recap. Bye-bye. Welcome to